Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are well. Welcome to this online computer class. I am here today to teach you in this online class. Today's topic, the keyboard. From page number 21 and 22 of book. In our today's lesson, we will discuss about the keyboard in detail. So let's start our today's lesson. First of all, we are going to discuss about the keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. It is an important part of the computer. We use keyboard to enter the data into the computer. It is used to type text. There are many small buttons on the keyboard, known as keys. A small blinking line on the screen is called cursor. A keyboard has different types of keys, such as alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys, special character keys, and arrow keys. First of all, we are going to discuss about alphabet keys. Alphabet keys Alphabet keys are used for typing letters. These keys are marked with the English letters A to Z. But they are not arranged in sequence. There are 26 alphabet keys. Now we are going to discuss about number keys. Number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with numbers 0 to 9. Number keys are present at two places on the keyboard. Number 1 above the alphabet keys. Number 2 on the right hand side of the keyboard. This is called a numeric keypad. The numeric keypad works only when you press the num lock key and keep it on. Hope you understand today's lesson. Now let's move on to today's homework. Here are some questions for you students, and you have to write the answers to these questions on page number 27 of book. Question number 1 is, if you want to write your age, which type of keys will you use? Question number 2, which part of computer helps you to type? You have read the answers to these questions in today's lecture. The other keys of the keyboard we will discuss in detail in our next lesson, inshallah. Thank you.